Hey, how you doing, guys? 11 Charlie RC here with another video. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Arrma Kraton V4. Um, we always wanted the big Kraton, the 6S, for a while. So I said over a year, and I guess we just waited and waited. I guess I don't know why, and until we got it about a week ago. I ordered it from Horizon Hobby, and it got here last Wednesday, I believe. Late Wednesday, yes. And today, finally, well, late last night, we took it out of the box, And this is the beast, guys. I love it, man. This is our second Arrma. I'm trying to get this for you guys. Oh. So you guys seen a bunch of unboxing, the last couple of days or a week or so. So you guys know already all this stuff that came in the Kraton on the new version 4. So we're just gonna go a little bit into it. So you guys, sweet, man. Got that new transmitter Spectrum SRX 200. I don't know about that, but well, you'll see. The EC axis sliding motor mount. That's cool. Easy to take out. Work on it. That's sweet. Guess that's the same. That's the mount right there. So I got the Never Boost Red aluminum servo saver. So we're gonna try that. We have some upgrades already coming in, man. Especially, let me get this out of the way. And that's the beast right there. It's a beauty, man. It's a beauty. Arrma tough. I said we were dying to get the Kraton for a while. I said, that's a big RC. I don't know. So sweet. Looks mean. You know that. We already got the 11 Charlie RC channel sticker on it. So now it's bulletproof. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It's a Humvee. It's a Humvee right here. So, like you guys know, this is our second Arrma. Our first being the Typhoon 3S BLX, and we love that. We love that RC, that Arrma, man. Like I mentioned in one of my Typhoon videos, we should have got an Arrma a long time ago, but now we're on the second Arrma. So you guys know, had that center brace on it, aluminum. It's a beauty, man. I'm not gonna talk too much about it, 'cause like I said, it's a bunch of videos on it. Got the BLX. It's a 2050 kb motor. Had a 185 BLX ESC. We'll see about that servo saver, all that stuff. And it's heavy car. I think it's about close to 10 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. So you guys, oh, I got this that new I believe, yeah, IC5. So Yeah, I already plugged the batteries in. Yeah, they're you could use it with the EC5 connectors, so it's not worry on that. You guys know that's the STX2 remote. I don't know. We'll see, man. Hopefully. I love that tactic one, but we'll see. It came with that plastic, with this plastic wheel on it. But it has some extra of the rubber things for the transmitter, so I put him there. So we'll see. Maybe we'll make it faster, right? I don't know about that. We'll see. We'll see how this transmitter works. You know what I like that I've seen so far is that 50-75 focus. You see there. Well, yeah, right there. 50, 75, 100. So that's good, especially when you're not used to this kind of power on an RC, and I think that's good. You guys will see a video of it, and I already have my 6-year-old nephew drive it, so they loved it. We got some. We just tested it, you know, right here in front of the house for a bit. Feel that power. We put a 6X, 3S battery, for electron batteries. Yes. I believe they're 50C discharge, either 5,000 or 5,200. I don't remember, but man, it's a beast. It's a beast. So, like I said, guys, there's a bunch of videos there on this beast right here, Typhon. I mean, the Kraton V4. It's a beauty. We got the red one, and I was about to get that blue one, but I don't know. That blue, hey, I like the blue color, but I don't know. I'm thinking would be the right choice getting the red one. So that's it, guys. Like I said, I just want to show you our new RC and family here, 11 Charlie family. So be safe, guys. 11 Charlie RC here. Cool.